The Champions League final is done and dusted. Congrats to Real Madrid on their 100th Champions League, but that only means one thing: forwards and onwards to the Euros. So this week we will be getting into the Euros mood with the Best of England set by Panini. Now this set is actually a year old, but you can still find it for retail in your shops for £30. Now £30 gets you 2 guaranteed parallels and the chance to pull an autograph card. Now you can see back here your autograph chances. If it focuses, the chances are 1 in 10. So let's stop yapping and start opening. Now this box opens just like a book from the side, and you'll see our cards in the middle. Now beneath this stack of cards will be our parallel and potential autographs. So we're going to pull out this base set of cards here. Well, we'll flip the box over, pull out our base set of cards and close that box and come back to the parallels and potential autograph after. So let's see what is in our base set today. So starting off, the card is a bit stuck. So starting off, we have a Gary Lineker Legend base card, followed by a Millie Bright. We then have a Connor Cody, followed by an Ellen White. We got the Lionesses in here, a Jude Bellingham, a Harry Maguire, Harry Kane. Now some of these cards may be a bit outdated because the cutoff for this set was 2022. We then have a Lucy Bronze, a Calvin Phillips, a Frank Lampard Legend again, a Kyle Walker, a Fran Kirby, Oliver Skip, Reece James, Phil Foden, Rachel Daly, Jordan Sancho, Ian Wright, Mason Mount. So this set is essentially the whole base set. So you have all the current team, well I say all the previous team of the men's, the women's and iconic legends. So then you have a James Ward-Prowse, a Steph Houghton, a Raheem Sterling, Wayne Rooney, Jordan Henderson. We then have the Lioness manager here, for those of you who may not know who that is. We have a Conor Gallagher, a Luke Shaw, a Georgia Stanaway, a Mitchell. We then have Trent, Declan Rice, Leah Williamson, Saka, Alan Shearer, Jack Grealish, Nikita Paris, Smith Rowe, Tyrone Mings, Jill Scott, and the final card to finish us off is a Jordan Pickford, followed by a placeholder card. Now we're going to see what is in this. Do we have an autograph and what are our 2 parallels? So we'll stick our hand in and try grab without looking. Just before we get into the potential autograph and parallels, I will be giving away all the base cards that you've just seen in this video. All you have to do is comment, and whichever comment has the least number of thumbs up will receive the whole base set plus a little surprise from me. Hopefully as the channel grows, I can start giving away bigger things such as the parallels and autographs that we pull as well. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so here are the cards. Just make sure that is focused. So off the bat, we do not have an autograph. You can see there are only 2 cards there. So I'm going to take this placeholder, put it over the front one, and just do a bit of a slow reveal here to see what we have. So our first card, let's just try slide this. So it is a midfielder, Oliver Skip. So not the best parallel you could pull, but I guess this should be the higher number one. So at least it is the higher number card. So let's pull this off and just see which one this is. So this is a 47. Damn, son, out of where'd 99. You find this? So considering this should be the higher number parallel, that means we could have like a 1 out of 1 or 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 25 on our second card. Whoa. So 47 out of 99. So what will be our next parallel behind this? So it is, oh, doesn't say. I feel like it might be a legend because it doesn't say a position. It's green. Is it going to be like a Gascoigne? It is numbered 2 out of 10. Don't know if you can see that on camera, but I think we've got a legend 2 out of 10 here.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's going to be Lioness, isn't it? It's going to be Lioness. Let's see what it is. It is a Sarah I can never say her name. Sarah Wieldman, 2 out of 10. So son, that is not a bad pull at all. I don't think there's many parallels of her on the market itself, so this could fetch a decent amount. So there you go. That is the Best of England set by Panini. Overall, for £30 a box, it's not too bad of a set value-wise. And the fact that we've pulled this card itself means we basically broke even at a minimum. Will you be buying this set? Let me know in the comments.